You know that feeling that you get right after posting something on social media? Yeah, that really anxious feeling inside of you where you feel like everyone's judging you. I've been feeling a lot of that lately, and I know it's a normal thing for anybody that posts on social media to feel, but lately it's become even stronger. I was definitely self-conscious to a more manageable level before, but now it's like everything I do, I'm thinking about it, I'm questioning it, and it feels like I'm just stuck. I can't do anything. It's gotten to the point where I'm too self-conscious and I question every single video that I'm making. I've even scrapped scripts and ideas that I've come up with because I feel like people won't view the video or like it. And I do think one of the primary reasons for this is because my channel has gone over 10,000 subscribers. That number isn't extremely large or anything, but it is enough to make a shift in my mindset and make me question my approach to how I make my videos or what I'm gonna post next. When I started out, I didn't have to worry about that. I could just post whatever I wanted because I didn't have many viewers, I didn't have many subscribers, I didn't really need to have consistency. But lately, I've just been really stuck and confused about what videos I want to make next, even though I still have a sense of what the core of my channel is. Maybe your situation is different from mine, but the effect of being too self-conscious is probably similar. Hopefully by telling you how I deal with this particular issue, you find some ideas about how you can deal with your issues. The first step is to stop thinking about everyone else. Just look inward and remember why you're doing this in the first place. Remember your purpose for making the content that you're about to post. For me, my goal of the channel is to make videos to communicate an idea or lesson that uplifts or inspires in some way, that encourages self-improvement. Maybe for you, it's something different. Maybe you're just doing it for fun or for self-fulfillment. And honestly, those are reasons I'm doing it as well. Either way, a good amount of the times, the purpose ties into a core desire in us to express our feelings or an idea. The second step is to just post. If you did the first step, your mind is focused on your purpose and your desire, not other people's potential judgment. Even if the goal is something simple like posting on your Facebook timeline or in a group chat, if you have something you feel like you want to say, you should say it. Even if my video isn't well received, I know that I believed in my message enough to make a video on it, so I want to follow through and let that message be heard. And at the core, I believe that's what a lot of us want. To have our ideas heard and to have others understand us. But if you never post in the first place, that's never gonna happen. So that's why I'm gonna be posting more videos more often. That's basically just gonna be me expressing my ideas to you guys in a very straightforward way. To close off this video, I have a challenge for you. I want you to post something that you've always wanted to post, whether it's posting on Instagram or TikTok, or posting something you just wanna express on Facebook or Reddit. Just go for it. After you do that, comment below and tell me how it went. For now, that'll be it for this video. Good luck, and as usual, thanks a bunch for watching. Okay, that was difficult. I'm so used to just reading the script that's in front of me for a voiceover. But now I'm looking at the script, I'm looking back at the camera, I'm trying to say exactly what the script is, but I'm missing words here and there, and the way I write is very particular, like my sentence structure and whatnot. If I missay something, it basically ruins the rest of the sentence and I have to like improvise on the rest of it.